Hey guys, what's up? Big girl Patreon here with PATZIIP second review, and on today's video, along with my weekly facial, I also like to use a microcurrent device introducing Ziip Halo. So this is a microcurrent, my facial device that uses dual waveform technology. So you're gonna use a conductor gel like this one. This is the electric complex conductive gel to help make sure that the current on impact on your skin deliver it deep inside your skin layer. So the microcurrent provides an immediate lift. This baby here used two different type of currents. So first of all, it's the microcurrent that delivered the instant result. The second current that is used is called the Ziip Nano current. So this will go deeper into your skin layer, give you the longer lasting result. It's just more for like the long-term benefit. Super duper easy to use. This baby here comes with the app. It got the pre-programmed treatment. Give you the access to a wider variety of treatment, whichever way that you can use this product. And also it's FDA cleared, guys, so it's safe and easy to use at home. I'm gonna use a good amount of this conductive gel because you want to make sure that the current works really deep into your skin. After I do all this, I'm gonna wash off my face, carry on my skincare routine. That's not gonna make my skin any more sensitive and all that. Check out my application here. Whatever works on my skin may not work on yours because skincare is very personal, but I feel like by using this diligently every other day or even every day if you have the time to do so, you can see the immediate effect, and the longer you use this, the more lasting result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!